Plan with confidence. Find the optimal version of your project plan using scenarios in BigPicture. With the Scenarios feature, you can easily try out different variants of your plan, compare the results, and find the best one. The Scenario feature is available in the Gantt and Resources modules. In this example, we'll show you how you can plan your work with scenarios in the Gantt module. Let's create a new scenario. Complete its name, color, and decide whether it should be visible to others, or if you want to keep it private at this point. When you're in the scenario mode, you can perform the following changes on the tasks. Resize tasks on the Gantt timeline. Move tasks on the Gantt timeline. Update scheduling mode. You can also group and sort tasks and display a variety of indicators such as baselines, period warnings, progress, critical paths, or overdue tasks. Whatever helps you assess results more clearly. Need more detail? Customize your Gantt timeline. Display additional attributes like the signee or priority, or switch to a different column view for the context you need. Made a change you want to roll back? Click Undo at the top to revert instantly. To review what has been modified, open the Scenario History panel using the icon next to the scenario name. You can also merge the changes to the live scenario from here. When you've finalized your scenario, click the icon at the top or select Merge to Live from the drop-down menu. Once merged, you'll return to the live scenario. Scenarios work the same way in the Resources module. In addition to the changes you can make in the scenario mode in Gantt, here you can also adjust task summary, assignee and team, time estimates, contouring mode. This lets you simulate resource allocation and workloads before applying changes to the live plan. That's all. With scenarios in BigPicture, you can explore, compare, and confidently choose the best plan for your team.